Bear and Bird by Gwen Millward. Bear and Bird were best friends. They lived together in a house Bear had made for them in the middle of a beautiful forest. Every day, Bear and Bird went into the forest to collect wood for their fire and to gather berries and bugs for their supper. While Bear worked hard looking after Bird, cooking him his favourite birch twig and rose hip soup, Bird sang his favourite songs. Winter was coming, and Wise Owl warned all forest creatures that it was going to be very cold. He told them to gather enough firewood and food to last until spring. So Bear and Bird collected as much wood and food as they could carry. One very cold evening, Bird put all the wood they had gathered onto the fire. There was none left. Bear gave a deep sigh and went into the snowy night to get some more. Hours went by. Bear had not returned. Bird began to worry. Where was Bear? Could he be lost? Was he trapped? Why had he not come back yet? Bird had to be brave. He put on his warmest hat and scarf and went to look for Bear. Bird followed Bear's paw prints in the snow. Suddenly, Fox came running through the trees. "Have you seen Bear?" asked Bird. "No," said Fox. "Sorry, I can't stop. I'm on my way to help Weasel. She has a hole in her roof that's letting in snow." And she hurried away. Bird thought to himself, what a lovely thing for Fox to do. He thought of all the wonderful things Bear did for him. Bear's paw prints were beginning to disappear in the snow. Just then, Squirrel scurried down a tree. "Have you seen Bear?" asked Bird. "No," said Squirrel. "Sorry, I can't stop. Badger's out of food, so I'm taking him some of my nuts." That's a good friend, thought Bird. What a lovely thing to do for Badger. And he continued on his way. Bear's paw prints came to a sudden end at the bottom of a tree. "I should have done more to help Bear," sobbed Bird. Just then he heard a sound from above. Bird shone his torch up into the tree. "Bear!" Bird sang with joy. Bear was afraid and shivering with cold. He had got lost and couldn't find his way home in the dark. Bird helped Bear down from the tree and gave him a big, warm hug. Then the two friends walked home together, collecting firewood on the way. When at last they arrived in their snow-covered house, Bird wrapped Bear in a warm blanket, built a toasty fire, and made them both a steaming cup of hot chocolate. From then on, Bird always helped Bear to collect wood for the fire and to gather berries and bugs for their supper. And best of all, Bird still sang his lovely songs while the two friends worked together.